everyone, we are Twisted. I'm Xing Jie and my partner is Chun Chong. Our project is to create a game called Dream Runners, which is a 2D infinite scrolling game. Our project motivation is to provide an interactive and fast-paced entertainment which can satisfy users' gaming needs in a short period of time. We got our inspiration from Flappy Bird, Fun Run, Cookie Run, and Angry Bird. The reason being, their popularities trump other graphically intense and complex games despite their simplicity in their gameplay and design. We narrowed down to 3 factors as to why these games are popular. Firstly, it's short. The time required for each round of game must be short so that it will not seem time-consuming for the users and they'll be more willing to try the game. Secondly, intuitive. The game must be simple enough so that the user does not need sophisticated game tutorials to know how to play the game. Thirdly, addictive. The learning curve of the game is gentle, so it is progressively easier for users to get better at the game. As they get better, it serves as a motivation for users to continue investing more time to polish their skills. Due to the short game time for each round, the users will be more inclined to try the game again after finishing each round, as they will think that they are spending less time than they actually are. Now I'll tell you about the tech stack. We will use Slack, C#, Unity, Android Studio, and Pisco. I will now pass the time to my partner Chun Chong.
Now I'll explain the core features of our game. So firstly, there'll be multiple game maps for the users to play. And these game maps, they'll be interlinked with each other, meaning that the game maps will be unlocked based on the user's level. And then secondly, there will be a leaderboard, which will be the online ranking for all players based on their timing, so that they will feel motivated to compete with others. So thirdly, the infinite scrolling of the game map, which means that the background moves while the players stay in place. This way we can create an infinite scrolling map so that we can reprint the map onto the background. Next, the object pooling. Object pooling means that we recycle the products by respawning the objects at different axes based on the time, which will be much more memory efficient than destroying the object and spawning the object again. And then next, there will be in-game collectibles like coins, power-ups, whatsoever, so that we can add score to the user's game score for the map, which will be the basis for the leaders board. And then next, there will be progressive gaming, which means that the power-ups will get better and more interactive based on the user's level. Hence, it will motivate them to play even more of the game. So over here, we have created a mock-up of our game using Unity game engine. So we have accomplished 3 of the core features over here. So we have created a game map, and then we have used the infinite scrolling of the game map, and then we also able to use the object pooling to recycle the obstacles. So let us go ahead and play the game. So we can only jump twice. As you can see, there are jump checks to the game, which only restricts the player to jump twice over the obstacles. So I've paused the game so that we can see the object pooling. So we'll move forward for the game. So as you can see, a third object is created using object pooling when initially there are only 2 obstacles. Yeah. So let's say we let the player hit the obstacle and die. Okay, so you will hit the obstacle, then it will go. Sorry, let's play the game again. So let's say our character died, then it will say game over. Tap to restart. The whole game will freeze. So we can restart the game by tapping on the screen. So as you can see, the game has restarted. So that's all for our mockup, and we plan to accomplish the leaders board then the in-game collectibles and progressive gaming for our next milestone. Thank you.